Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and we're here at Garrett's Rod Shop, and we wanted to give you guys an in-depth look on this new Eckold KF800 machine. This KF800 is pretty much the big brother to the smaller KF170 machine. It operates in a lot of the same ways. The main difference is obviously the size, and that's all based on the desire to have a larger throat depth, which on this machine is 31 inches, 31.5 inches, and 17.5 inches tall. So you can get a nice big panel in there, get to the different jobs you're trying to work on. So it holds a lot of the same tooling, pretty much all the same tooling as the 170, and also some of the bigger dies from some of the other machines. So has a lot of the same functions. It's got a single stroke mode. It's all run off of air, just like the 170. And so when you push on the pedal on single stroke mode, you get one stroke. And then if you put it on multi-stroke mode, you get multi-strokes. So basically there's a kind of a neutral mode. That way it won't operate, but gives you the flexibility to be able to do real fine work on single stroke, or to, if you're working on something with a large edge, you're trying to get a lot of work done, you can put it on a multi-stroke and go from there. So you have your tooling height adjustment here on the top. It has a digital readout, so you can set it to a spec, and then if you want to open it up and then return it back to that spec, you got a digital readout here that tells you where it's at. So when you turn the little lever here at the top, raises and lowers the die height to be able to give you more or less pressure on your material, and then obviously depending on what tooling you're using, to be able to get it set up exactly where you want it. So from there's a stroke adjustment here at the top, which gives you the ability to change the stroke of the machine from 6 millimeters to 3 millimeters. And basically, you kind of heard on the multi-stroke mode, it had a little bit slower action. When you back the stroke out, the knob here, and shorten it up, gives you that 3 millimeter stroke, which then in turn speeds up the machine. So once you step on the pedal, it speeds the machine up a little bit. And so obviously there's a little bit of extra noise when you're not running parts in here. Once you get it set and you're actually putting pressure on the material, the machine actually quiets down a little bit. So, but it's got pretty simple functions. There's not a whole lot to it. Like I said, just the big brother of the KF170 gives you the real fine-tune abilities on your material to be able to do the work that you're wanting to do. So all the die sets that are available for this machine, we went through in our Eckold KF170 video, which will be in the description of this video, that you can check out to see some more of the tooling in action. And so at this point, we're just gonna do a little bit of work on this machine to show you guys how it works. So another cool feature about this machine is the adjustable work height. So you got a couple of different hole positions here that you can raise and lower the machine to give you the work height that you're desiring. There's a crank handle on the back here that you can, once you take the bolts out that hold it in place, you can lower the machine, raise it back up. This right here is in its all the way up position, and so there's 3 other lower positions from there. You can move it up, move it down, change your work height on there. So pretty cool ability there. There's also an emergency shut-off switch here. Gives you the ability to kill the air to the machine, and if you ever have some type of error from there. So for more information on the Eckold KF800 machine, give us a call, visit our website at Trick-Tools.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high-performance tools for the fabricator.